In this video, we're going to use hyperbolas and applications. It says Teresa is designing a ceramic pot on a coordinate system where each unit corresponds to 1 millimeter. The neck of the pot has edges with the shape of a hyperbola, where the asymptotes y equals 2.25x and y equals negative 2.25x are followed. So we've got this shape, okay? And I'm going to draw a line here because in the next piece it says if the closest that any part of the neck edges comes to the center of the neck is 30 millimeters. So they're saying that this distance from here to here is 30 millimeters. Write an equation for the hyperbola used to model the edges. Round your A and B values to the nearest hundredth if necessary. So first of all, we got to look at opening left and right. What kind of equation is that? Well, that equation is going to be x squared over a squared minus y squared over b squared. They give us a to start with, so we actually have this as x squared over 30 squared minus y squared over b squared. Oh yeah, and this should equal 1. Now we need to find the b values. So how are we going to find the b values? Well, I can tell you that the equation that they give us here is y equals 2.25x and y equals negative 2.25x. So if we go back and look at what our equation is, typically it's y equals plus and minus b over a x. So if they're telling us that 2.25x is the equation, we can say that b over a x is going to equal 2.25x. We can set up an equation like this. And we're solving for the b value here. All right, we know the a value. The a value is 30. So we're going to write this as b over 30x is equal to 2.25x. So if we divide x out here, we'd have b over 30 is equal to 2.25. Now we multiply by 30 on each side. So b is equal to 2.25 times 30. So 2.25 times 30 is 67.5. So b is 67.5. So we end up with x squared over 30 squared minus y squared over 67.5 squared is equal to 1. And which equation would this be? This would be the third equation down the list. And this is our solution.